we have been given this expression to look for the value of this particular logarithm expression. And we are going to solve this using a simple trick to easily get the value. And to those of you who are new here, you want to make sure that you go ahead to subscribe to this channel, because we always release questions like this based on many mathematical topics, giving you the easy tips and tricks to resolve it and get the answer easily. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, you want to make sure to do so, and also enable the bell icon so that anytime we release videos like this, you'll be the very first to get notified and watch them to learn something new, so that if you are presented to similar questions related to what we have given, you will use the tips and tricks we have given you to solve it easily. So that being said, let's proceed with the easy tips to solve this. First, this expression, 1/3 log to the base of 2, and of course root 8, they are asking us to find its value. First, I would like us to remember or to recall something. First of all, you need to know that this sign, as you can see here, simply means it is the same as this. I believe we know that based on this. And of course, if we know this, we are going to use easy expression to see how we can express this particular expression. And if you have this root 8 that we are having here is the same like we just put this 8 to the power half. That is 8 to the power half, because this sign simply means half. So 8 to the power half will be the same. Let's rewrite this and see what we have. This is the same as 1/3 log to the base of 2, and we have 8 here and half. It's the same like this, and you can see as it is. Now I want you to recall again that when we have expression like this, where we have the base and we have this here and another power that is here, what we can do is we can simply transfer this power to come behind here and allow it to be just two simple terms. In other words, we can still write this as 1/3. When this sign cross and go here, we are going to multiply it, that is half, like this. Then we have the log again to the base of 2, then we just have 8 here. This is the simplest expression. Now, if you see 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6, which means 1/6. So this is the same as, or this implies that 1/6 log to the base of 2, 8. Now we have this. Of course, if you look at this, it's in the base of 2. What we want to do is to try to make sure we eliminate the log and only be left with the expression that is behind. But note that we want to try to make sure that we make this 8 that is here have this base of 2, forcing it to be 2 here, so that log of 2 and 2 will just be nothing. That is, will just be 1. But we know that this 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3. Note that 8 is the same as 2 to the power 3. We know this because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So 2 3 times is going to give us 8. Let's try to express this to this power so that log of 2 and 2 will be here. So we are going to have what here? 1/6 log 2 to the power 3. Now this is what we want to do here. Since we have 2 and 2 to the power 3, we are still going to do the same. This is the power here. We will still move this power here on this side and allow it to just be log of 2, 2. This will be the same as log 2, 2. Then this 1 that we have here times the 3 that will come. So 1 times 3/6. This is what we are going to have, which means it's going to be 3/6 log 2 of 2. This will therefore be, if we rewrite, we are going to have 3/6 log of 2, 2. But we know that log of 2, 2 is 1, because log of similar, as you can see here, is just 1. So it means that if we want to rewrite this, it's the same as 3 over 6. 3 over 6 times log of 2 is 1. So 3 over 6 times 1. This 3 here, we go here 1 time, is going to go here 2 times. So 1 times 1 over 2 is the same as half. So finally, we have half. This is the answer here. In other words, the expression that has been given, so that we look for the value of this expression, resolving everything and putting it in order. As you can see here, we have final answer as half. So that is the trick we have used to get the value of that expression. If you have any problem relating to log or logarithm, you want to make sure you send it to us. We are going to track it out for you and put it out for everyone to benefit from it. And of course, you can reach us using the details from our profile bio. And to those of you who want to see more questions like this in the next upload, you want to make sure to go ahead to like, subscribe, so that anytime we publish a new video, you'll be the very first to get notification to watch and learn something new. See you in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.